Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to be making banana pudding French toast, and when I tell you it's so freaking delicious, you're gonna be like, damn, thank you for showing me this recipe, Chef Rabbit. Let's get into the details. So I have here my ingredients. I have some French bread from a bakery, or you can get it from the regular bread aisle. I have vanilla pudding mix right here. I'll leave the recipe below. I also have my banana slices with a little bit of cane sugar, heavy cream, my eggs. I have my vanilla, cinnamon, and some fresh nutmeg, my pecans, and whiskey caramel that I'll put below. So take your eggs, your heavy cream, your cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, whisk it up in a bowl, put it all together, boom, bam. And we're gonna dip our bread in there and put it on a buttered, flat top, buttered skillet. Whatever that you have is good. You're gonna cook it 3 minutes on each side. With that being said, you're gonna go on and get those bananas cooking in a skillet with butter. Saute them till they're caramelized. You're gonna go ahead and flip those bad boys over, cook another 3 minutes. When they're done, go ahead and plate it up. Let's give it some good presentation going on here, y'all. So we got the French toast down. We got our vanilla pudding mix on top. We're gonna go ahead and put those beautiful caramelized bananas on top, yes. Then we're gonna go ahead and hit it with those pecans. Yes, 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 so crunchy, delicious, the texture, yes. That whiskey caramel goes on top. And yes, here's the finished product. When I say it's delicious, you don't need no syrup, no nothing. It is divine, not too sweet, not too, all over the place. Good. See y'all later.